The admin dashboard is designed for librarians or teachers, and we've got a couple different levels of administrators. The top level we call a system administrator, and that's somebody that's like at the district level or the system level of a library. And below that we have we call it a library level administrator, and that's somebody who's like running a code club, a teacher or a librarian that doesn't quite need all of that access but still needs access to the software. If you're just a library or school level administrator, you have the ability to create programs here in the Programs tab. So let's imagine that I am the administrator of Prenda HQ, which is a library or school. And you can see I've got these two programs that I've run over the course of time. We've got a fall robotics club and we've got a summer virtual code club 2021. I can create as many programs as I want. I can call them whatever I want. If I want to focus on particular curriculum, like the robotics one, I can do that. If I want to focus on seasonal by calling them summer or fall, you can do that. I can set a runtime with a start date and an end date. At the end of the day, we create programs in the software because it allows us to run statistics on that program. So if I want to run report, I can run a report on the entire system. Set a custom date range, click run, and you'll see that the data that we track are total users, new users in that date range, total logins, workouts completed, missions completed, and total hours coded. I also track demographic data, so you have male, female, non-binary, and other, and you get a breakdown of all of those ages here in the demographic tab. At the end of the day, it is so easy for you as the librarian to get in here and run a report and get the information that you need. In addition to reports, we also have a messages feature where you can send custom messages to your parents through the app. We also have a students page where you can see all of your students. You can see their progress in the software. It's really useful if you ever need to see where a student is at or how much progress they have made. You can also reset their password. So if they show up for a code club meeting and they forget their password, you can reset it for them really easily. A newer feature that we've released is the integration with Google Classroom. So if you're a teacher and your school uses Google Classroom as your LMS, Prenda integrates really well with that. To do that, you can go to the Programs page and you can click this Enroll Students button. Even if you're not integrating with Google Classroom, but you have a spreadsheet of all of your students, you can always upload that spreadsheet and get them in there that way. However, if you are using Google Classroom, it's just a couple clicks and we've synced with your Google Classroom and we've pulled all of the students into here.